And if we go to Mexico, will it get better? And all the cracks inside this love, will they heal in the good weather? I just love the energy, and I love how people gather, whether it's rainy, windy, or sunny, or whatever. It's like every night that you've always wanted to have in a weekend. It's pretty intense. It's just a wonderful place to be. For me, on the periphery of the whole site, it's where the actual magic is. And I think the big stuff on the main stage is like amazing, but I think the magic kind of is at the outskirts. That's where the beginners, you find, like, when you're beginning in poetry, comedy, drama, dancing, whatever, music, it's all happening under a tree. You know what I mean? And you get your chance to play here and you prove yourself. You get to play at a bigger tree, and then a bigger tree, and a bigger tree. It's like a journey, you know? I did a lovely gig at the Tree stage, big crowd, but I would enjoy sitting under a tree beside a campfire where the pressure's not on, and just like, I want to be in a circle of a sing-song. I don't want all the light on me, you know? So there's a little bit of everything for my ego here, you know what I mean? But particularly, I want to be a part of everyone else's gig, you know? Part of the fun. This is like what the human race is all about. It's like we're all meant to be hanging out together and not sitting in our rooms glued to our phones and the internet and stuff. This is like living the dream. It's like all these different channels. This is like TikTok. Everything's like, but it's here, it's real. It's not a flick. You just have to walk. This will get better, and it will heal in the right weather, yeah. And as long as we're together, well, I don't mind. Well, I don't mind. Oh, if we go to Mexico.